effort, or we're trying to do a makeup style. Recently, the Korean cheerleaders have been trending and they've taken over my For You page, and so I want to try and do the makeup because I think it's cute. It's really cute. So this is the specific cheerleader I'm going to be doing. So it's like cute peachy makeup, and there's some bling bling things, and then see more bling blings, little stars. Just kind of basic makeup, but I really want to try it. So from what I see in the pictures here, it's just a pretty simple base. I honestly don't see a whole lot of contouring, and there's the blush placement is up here on the cheekbones. So I'm going to be using the Clio Kill Color Skin Cushion Foundation today. So just take an appropriate amount on the thing, tap the excess off here, and then apply. I'm just going to pin back my bangs with the only clip I could find. And then I'll be using this CoverGirl concealer. I still have yet to buy a new one. I meant to, and I went to the drugstore and I could have got some, but I completely forgot. So I forgot to write it on my list, so it's a bit annoying, but next time. I powdered my face with the e.l.f. powder. I just put a lot on the brush and then dab it all over my face. Now that I'm looking here at the photo for the blush, it's a very coral color, as you can see. This is the NYX one in shade Citrine Rose. I'm taking this kind of small egg-shaped brush, just dabbing a bit on. We're just gonna dab it here on the cheekbone. Oh, that was a lot. I think I went a little crazy on the blush accidentally, but it is what it is. And oh yeah, definitely did. Oh well. She does not have any blush on her nose, so we're skipping that. We're going to go right into the eye makeup because I'm not really seeing any huge contouring, and as we all know, I'm already bad at contouring, so I'm not even gonna try. I'm going to take this blush shade again, take a fluffy brush, and go under my eyes with it. Same on this side. I am no expert, I'm just trying to copy how I see it. Okay, and she has it on her eyelids too. I'm just gonna use the same color, or actually, if we're to be taking this palette, the label's rubbed off because I used it a lot. But this is the Essence Coral Me Maybe eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna take this base shade here and just sweep it across my eyelids. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this peachy shade right here and put it on the outer edge. This palette has like a very vanilla scent, which is such a nostalgic smell because I used to have this baby doll and its head smelled like this exact vanilla scent. I'm not entirely sure why its head was scented though, to be honest with you. Like, what's the point? And I'm gonna go back to the NYX blush. Tap tap. And just apply it in the outer edge and swoop it around to meet with the bottom. I feel like I'm not exactly following it properly, but same to this eye. I feel like the inner edge is too dark, so I'm going to take this NYX palette and take this bright shade here. Take this brush and just put it on the inner edge to lighten up. I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna take that same white shade or cream shade and just put it right there, because it is lighter. There's just no glitter. Okay, that is it for the eyeshadow. We're now going to move on to eyeliner. I recently got a new eyeliner because mine was running out. This is the e.l.f. H2O proof eyeliner pen. So it's just like, just a straight wing out with a slight slant up. And then closely line the lashes. I'm taking this lash curler and just curling my eyelashes. And then I'm going to be taking this mascara. The label's kind of rubbed off, but this is a CoverGirl mascara. And just gently apply. I don't wear this one too often because I do find it really smudges. And it's a big no-no for me. But she is wearing false lashes. Should I even bother? I'm gonna take the Peri Peri mascara and use a bit of this. I'm gonna try and make my natural ones look like false lashes. And then I'm just gonna pinch together. Oh no, that was terrible. Abort. And for lipstick, she's wearing a very like bright color. You can see. So I'm going to be using my Roman Glasting Water Tint. Her Cupid bow is defined, so I'm just gonna try and define more of it. Alright, and that is the makeup look. Done. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot the little sparkle blings. Okay, I'm gonna be using my nail ones. Okay, take these stars, and I'll just use lash glue to adhere them. Where'd my mirror go? Does she have it on both cheeks? Yes. They're a bit close together on this one, but oh well, now I know. Now I'm just going to go do my hair and I will get back with the finished product. I'm back. Ta-da! Did see pigtails because that's what